Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a warm winter look, as you can see by the title, and just want to welcome everybody else who's tuned in for the very first time. Welcome to my channel. I'm very glad that you're here, and please do subscribe and click the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And I just want to welcome you to the fam. And everybody else who's tuning in again and who is already subscribed, I thank you so much for your support. And yeah, stay tuned for the video. And for this makeup look, I am using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette. I am first going to use this orange shade over here as a transition. I am placing it right there into my crease, stamping it in. And blending it out into my eyelid, first my eyelid. Then I'm going to go into this dark brown shade over here, and I'm applying it there at the end of my eyelid. I'm stamping it in, then I will be blending it out. Now I'm going to use the L.A Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey to cut my crease. And I'm using a flat brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that gold shade and place it on the cut crease. Now I'm going to go into that purple shade over here. And use it to merge my cut crease with the other shade, the brown shade. I'm blending it right there in the middle to remove the harsh line. I'm using the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara, and I am applying it on my top lashes. Honestly guys, you know from my previous video I have mentioned that I love this mascara. Like, look at what it does for me. I'm somebody without a lot of my lashes are not so long, so what this mascara does for me, I'm really happy about it. I really love this mascara. Just taken off my jacket and pulled back my hair. Now it's time for foundation. I'm using this combo as you've seen before on my channel, the Revlon Colorstay Full Cover Foundation and the Yardley London Stayfast Foundation, and I'm mixing them together to create my perfect shade and lovely consistency. I'm not priming my face because I'm not crazy about primer during winter. I am very much fine without it. Now that I've applied my foundation, I'm moving on to highlighting my face using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 35. And I'm highlighting the places that I usually highlight, which is underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow on my chin, as well as my forehead. Now it's time to blend all that out. Now it's time to set my concealer using the Yardley loose powder in the shade Translucent Bear. And I'm using my beauty blender and I am setting underneath my eyes. Definitely not baking because I don't want to dry out my skin. It is winter and I'm not playing that game. Then on the bridge of my nose, putting a generous amount. And everywhere else where I used concealer. On my forehead, just to prevent creasing. And areas around my mouth. To contour my face, I'm using the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Expresso. And I am lightly applying it on my cheeks. And there on my jawline. As well as my forehead. Then I move on to take a smaller brush and I go on the sides of my nose. Then I'm going to take a little bit of powder and do reverse contour. For blush, I am using the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade Peach Me Up. And I'm applying it right on top of my contour to warm my face up by my cheeks. I love blush, guys. Like, if there's something in makeup that I love with my entire heart, it's blush. Like, it just literally transforms your makeup. It just makes you look alive, man. You look like there's blood flowing through you and you look alive. I love it. And I'm loving these Essence blushes because they actually perform quite well. There's little fallout. It literally is such an amazing blush. Like, I am in love with this blush. I'm in love with the blush. I'm in love. I'm blushing, guys. I am blushing. Yeah. Okay, so I like to put it there next to my nose, just a little bit of it, just a little bit, to warm my face right there in the center as well. I do that a little, and I take it up to my forehead as well, just a little bit. Mainly my main focus with blush is on my cheeks, but then I just take a little bit for the rest of the areas where I placed the contour, except for my jawline, because you know I want to warm up my face. I want to be warm. Yes, this is bomb. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow, and I am just going to tap into it and apply a little bit right there on the cheeks. It's quite rosy, so I don't use it often, but I do like this shade. And gonna go into my fave, the Rimmel London Kate highlighting palette, and go into that gold shade in the center right there, and just apply it, tap with my finger and apply it on my nose. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that glow, honey. That glow. That glow, honey. I'm gonna take some as well for my eyebrow. As well as the center of my eye. The center. Okay, what do you call this? Forgot. Words are running away, guys. I'm chasing the sun and words are running away. Words are running away. I'm using the Essence Kajal pencil in the shade Black. Where's that thing? And I'm lining my waterline. And I'm going to go ahead and go into that maroon shade, the purple shade, and apply it underneath my waterline, my lower lash line. Going back in with my Revlon Dramatic Definition mascara. Then I am lining my lips. Then I use this Yardley London BB lip color in the shade Peanut Butter Cup, and I use it right there, center of my lip, and gloss myself up on top. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think about it. I am excited. I love it. I love this look. It is absolutely amazing. Look at those lashes. Look at like how everything blends in so well together. By the way, I'll leave the name of these lashes in the description box. They are from Eyelash Boutique, and they are a fave of mine from Eyelash Boutique. And well, I have a couple of faves from Eyelash Boutique, but yeah, this is one of the top faves, right? And yeah guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, let people know, share it on your socials, tag me. I'd really appreciate it guys. Until I see you guys again next time in the next video,